What's up, boss fam? Y'all feeling good? I'm feeling good, man. I'm glad we're back with another video. Today we got a question from Jonathan Garcia, longtime subscriber, dope community member. Jonathan wants me to talk about multiple streams of income and also investing in real estate and stuff like that. So I'll give you my take on it. One subscriber mentioned that I have a tendency to ramble. So I'm gonna try to keep this one real short for you guys. We're gonna get right into that after this.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go do your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss days. Go do your boss days.
Alright, so first off, shout out to Jonathan Garcia for asking the question. I appreciate you. Also, shout out to Donnie Brasco because I forgot to shout him out in the last video. And shout out to my brother Lacito. I appreciate you listening, man. I was out there driving those trucks and stuff, so shout out to him. There was a subscriber who mentioned that I have a tendency to ramble, so I'm gonna try to get right into this one and right out of it real quick for you guys. Jonathan Garcia wants to know about multiple streams of income. I love multiple streams of income. I think that's the name of the game. The more streams of income that you can create in your life, let alone one business. Even though I want to make the point that you can have 7 streams of income just inside of your one business. I did a video on cleaning business add-ons a while back. I'll try to link it up here. Most of the add-ons, the things that you can add on in the cleaning business, can be entirely separate other businesses. So you don't have to necessarily separate them, but you can treat them like separate businesses within your business. So let's say you do, like me, janitorial. I do nightly janitorial service. For us, doing floor work, stripping and waxing floors, is a completely separate service that we do. That's a whole nother stream of income. It's got its own set of SEO. It's got its own landing pages. It has its own marketing, things targeted towards that particular service. So even though I can add it on to janitorial service, we have a completely separate focus on it by itself altogether. So, and you can do that with everything within your industry and keep it under that umbrella. And that's how businesses get to be so huge. It's the same as a product company. Someone invents a product and that product sells a bunch. Now they can create another product and it'll sell. And each product will be a different stream of income because each product has to be individually marketed, and there has to be a focus on each individual thing that you do. So I love multiple streams of income. That's how I think about it. I hope that gives you guys some ideas on things that you can use as multiple streams of income within your business or within your cleaning business. Inside of cleaning, there's day porter can be completely separate. Nightly janitorial can be completely separate. Carpet cleaning, window cleaning, pressure washing, parking lot pickup, all those things can be separate streams of income. The thing is that you have to actually focus and treat them like their own business and give them the same amount of attention that you do as you do another service. It's gonna be very difficult for you to market all of the services at once. You can't say we're the business that just does everything. That's not how marketing works in this day and age, not in 2023. That's just not how it works. You're gonna have to be extremely targeted. The more targeted you are, the better. So if you can dial it down to this service for this particular client type, that's where you want to be, is to know what you're doing, exactly what you're doing, and exactly who you're doing it for. At least try to get one going first before you try to add a bunch, because then you'll just divide your attention and do nothing well, as opposed to having something that you do really well and some other things that you also focus on. They may not be your number one thing, but they're another stream of income. That's my thoughts on that. Investing in real estate and stuff like that. I did a video on personal finance, which I also tried to link up here. If I don't get around to it, then my bad. Watch that video on what I think about personal finance and building wealth now as opposed to in the future when you're damn near retired to have your money. In that video, I kind of touch on a point where I say I don't really think anybody should be investing. So anyone who started where I started from, or if you're anywhere near that, or you're not making 80, 90, 100K a year take home pay, if that's not your income level yet, which is okay, that's great. Hopefully you can live on less. I know I can live on less. Until you're making that level of income, I think the only thing that you should be investing in is yourself and your own company. So I wouldn't advise you to go and put your money in someone else's business and expect them to grow it for you. I think you're much better off investing in yourself, learning new things, buying courses, or getting new skills. I think you should be investing in supplies and material for your company, licensing and insurance and things like that, you should be putting your money into that, investing in yourself and investing in your own company. And I think that your income will grow to a level where you can afford to invest a lot sooner than trying to invest your way to being able to have extra money. That's my take on that. This one's really short for you guys. Like the video for me. I appreciate you guys being here. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. There's a lot of dope information. I try to get videos out as frequent as I can, but I also am running a business. For those of you who watch the vlog, if you're interested in what happened with that floor job, it happened yesterday. It went well. The church loved the floors afterwards. They even left a tip. The employees were happy. They made extra money. It was great. It went beautifully. We made money. Everyone was happy. Everyone went home. It's beautiful. Again, like the video. It helps other people find the channel, and this community can continue to grow, and we can have more input, more opportunities like sponsorships and things like that, so we can do giveaways and we can give back to the community, maybe pick a lucky subscriber and completely deck them out for their first location, or helping them get completely legal, or whatever their need may be. I think it'd be dope to do that as a channel and as a community. So if you're with that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I love y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.